Hello! Let's learn English in real life. Today, we go from home to the market. Home. I am at home. I am at home. Door. I open the door. I open the door. Bag. I take my bag. I take my bag. Money. I take my money. I take my money. Shoes. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. Ready. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. Street. I walk in the street. I walk in the street. Road. The road is busy. The road is busy. Motorbike. I take a motorbike. I take a motorbike. Stop. We stop at the light. We stop at the light. Market. I arrive at the market. I arrive at the market. Shop. I go to a shop. I go to a shop. Food. I buy food. I buy food. Rice. I buy rice. I buy rice. Bag. I put the food in my bag. I put the food in my bag. Home. I go back home. I go back home. Arrive. I arrive home. I arrive home. Keep going. Your English is growing every day. Do not wait to be perfect. Just keep practicing. One word today, one sentence tomorrow, and soon you will speak with confidence. Bring English into your daily life, at home, on the street, in the market, everywhere. If you want to improve your English in a simple and practical way, stay with this channel. Learn with us, practice with us, and grow with us. Your English journey starts now. See you in the next lesson.